Here's your question. The Philippines is a country full of potential, resilience, and talented people across different communities. Despite this, there are still many challenges that affect everyday life, from education and jobs to social services and opportunities. As we look toward the next 5 years of growth and progress, we are reminded that the change often begins with the vision of its people. As the next Mr. Pangasinan, what is one change you want to see in the Philippines in the next 5 years? You have 60 seconds to answer.
In our current situation, our country faces challenges in corruption. We can't deny the fact that our country, our nation, is going through difficult times. But many people are still unheard and underserved. But I believe that real change begins when we choose compassion over indifference, action over silence. When we lift one another, we create a future that is not only better, but a more inclusive for all. And if I win the crown tonight, I will not just wear it. I will use it to give a voice to those who need it most. And always remember, my dear Board of Judges and my audience, that our present situation is not our final destination. Because as Filipinos, the best is yet to come.